Today, I am reviewing the Longer Laser Engraver Ray5. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are tired of paying a premium for custom wood signs or personalized leather goods, and you have been eyeing the Longer Ray5 10W laser to do it yourself, you need to know exactly what you're getting into before you drop the cash. I have been putting this machine through its paces for the last few weeks, and while it is a capable entry-level tool, it is not the magic bullet that some marketing videos make it out to be. Let us start with the setup. If you have never built a laser engraver before, do not expect to be cutting designs 10 minutes after opening the box. It took me about an hour to get everything squared and tightened. The instructions are decent, but you really have to pay attention to belt tension. If you leave them too loose, your circles will turn into ovals, and your precision goes right out the window. Once it is built, the 400 by 400 millimeter workspace is genuinely great. It is large enough to handle most hobbyist projects like custom cutting boards or larger wall art without you having to constantly re-index your material. If you want to check the current pricing or see if there are any bundles available, you can find links to the product page right below this video. The performance of the 10W laser module is exactly what you should expect at this price point. It handles wood and leather beautifully. When I was engraving pine and plywood, the detail was crisp, and the 0.08mm spot size really does make a difference when you are trying to etch fine text. However, you need to manage your expectations regarding metal. It will mark stainless steel, but it is not a deep engraving machine. It is more of a surface marking process. If you are looking to cut through thick acrylic or dense hardwoods, you are going to be making multiple passes. That is where the 10,000 millimeters per minute speed comes in, but remember that speed only helps if your laser power is dialed in correctly. One of the standout features for me is the 3.5-inch touchscreen. It sounds like a gimmick, but being able to load a file onto a TF card, walk over to the machine, and start the job without having a laptop tethered to it is a huge quality of life upgrade. It makes the workflow feel much more professional. That said, the interface is functional but basic. You are not going to be doing complex design work on the screen itself. It is strictly for operation and simple adjustments. Now, let us talk about the weaknesses. The biggest one is the safety enclosure. While the machine has motion detection and an emergency stop, the provided goggles are the bare minimum. If you plan on using this in a room where other people or pets might walk in, you absolutely need to build or buy an enclosure. Never trust the open frame design with your eyesight. Also, the cooling fan on the laser module can get quite loud during long jobs. If you are working in a home office, it is definitely going to be noticeable. Software support is solid because it works with LightBurn. If you are serious about this hobby, just bite the bullet and get a LightBurn license. Trying to use the free software that comes with some of these machines is a headache, and since the Ray5 plays nicely with the industry standard, you're set up for success from day one. I found the connection via Wi-Fi to be a bit finicky at times, so I ended up sticking to the TF card method, which proved to be 100% reliable for me. Who is this for? It is perfect for the hobbyist who wants to personalize gifts, make custom coasters, or start a small side hustle making keychains and wood crafts. It is a fantastic entry point that gives you a taste of professional engraving without the massive price tag of a fiber laser or a high-end CO2 machine. Who should avoid it? If you are looking to cut thick materials all day long, or if you need to engrave large batches of metal parts for business, this is not the right tool. You'll be frustrated by the speed limitations and the lack of deep cutting power. If you're just looking for a plug-and-play appliance that requires zero maintenance or a learning curve, you will likely be disappointed, as laser engraving always requires a bit of trial and error with settings. Ultimately, the Longer Ray5 is a balanced machine. It has the precision for hobby work and the build volume for creative freedom, provided you are willing to spend the time learning how to tune your settings. You can check the links below if you want to look at the current price or explore more details about the specs. It is a solid piece of hardware for the money. Just be sure you have a safe, ventilated space to put it in before you start burning.